I have 2 children. One is a boy born on a Tuesday. What's the chance both are boys? The Tuesday boy problem. Why a weekday shifts the math. Most people guess 1/2, or maybe 1/3, both wrong. Tuesday actually moves the answer. How can a Tuesday change the math? It feels irrelevant, days of the week are random. But more information shifts the count. Think of every child as a sex day pair. 2 sexes times 7 days gives 14 options. 2 children give us a 14 by 14 grid, 196 equally likely combinations. Now apply the clue, at least one boy on Tuesday. How many cells survive? 27. Of those 27, how many have 2 boys? 13. So the probability that both are boys is 13 out of 27, about 48%. Compare to the no-day version, which gives 1/3. Adding Tuesday moved the answer from 33% toward 50. More specific clues give more information. Even useless feeling facts can change probability.